Hi, welcome to my little kitchen and to my channel. My name is Alina and today I'm going to show you how to make French fries à la Russe, or as we call them in Russia, fried potatoes. If you ask an average Russian what their favorite comfort food is, then fried potatoes would be in the top 3. And you wouldn't even need state propaganda to put it in people's heads. Fried potatoes are very easy and fast to make. Although as a child I wasn't really thrilled about them because it was always on me to peel potatoes for the family of 4. It's not fun. And, French fries and hamburger was much more appealing to us because they were more exotic. You would always see them in American movies. But okay, enough talking. Let's get started. I'm getting hungry.
We'll need just several potatoes. I already washed and peeled them, 1 onion and a pinch of salt. And that's it. Can you imagine? Easy. I usually go with pink potatoes. I don't know what their official name is, but throughout my 20-year potato frying practice, I realized that almost every sort of potato works well for Russian fries. Okay, first of all, let's slice the onion and then let's cut these guys into small bars. Pour refined vegetable oil into a pan. In Russia, we usually use sunflower seed oil, but canola and peanut oil are perfect too. Just don't use olive oil for this. And heat it up. It takes a bit of time, and I usually use 1 small slice of onion to check when the oil is hot enough. Then toss the onion into the pan and stir fry it for 3-4 minutes on high heat to create this layer of flavor. And then, before the onion starts browning, throw out the potatoes, leave them on high heat for 5-6 minutes, stir them, and then cover the lid and lower the heat to medium. Don't forget to stir from time to time and salt the whole thing at some point midway into cooking. You know that it's ready when you can easily split a potato bar in 2. And then, if you want your potatoes to have a crust, open the lid, turn the high heat again for some minutes and let it get some tan. There are many ways to serve Russian fries: as a side dish, as a main dish, with sauces such as ketchup or mayo, or with herring. However, it would be super Russian if you serve it with this beauty of a fermented cucumber. What I like about Russian fries is the combination of subtle potato sweetness and savory taste of fried onion.
Okay, my lunch is ready and I can't wait to start. And you guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, press subscribe to stay tuned for more, and enjoy your meal. From Russia with Food, Alina.
Almost forgot. One more thing, very important one. The next morning, if you have some fries left, reheat the pan, cut some cheese like Adam, and crack an egg. It's great as breakfast. Filling, nutritious, and gives you a lot of energy.